Hello, students. In my last class, I taught you about what are negative sentences and how to write negative sentences. From your Tune into Grammar book, you will all take out page number 19. Today, we will do the exercise C and D. You already know how to make a negative sentence. So you can by reading the sentence only you can make out that which is a negative sentence and which is a positive sentence. You know that the sentences with words like no and not are the negative sentences, okay, and the positive sentences you can definitely identify. Now we will move to exercise C, that is page number 19. You can see that change these positive sentences to negative sentences. Now you can see some positive statements are given or sentences are given, and now we have to change it into negative sentences. First one, Kushagra goes to office at 9 a.m. It is a positive sentence. Now, how will we change it into negative sentence? We will write it as Kushagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. You already know, I have already told you that when there is a name, you add does with not. So here Kushagra is a name, so we will add does not and make it a negative sentence. So the answer for this is Kushagra does not go to office at 9 a.m. Number 2, Nandani speaks French. So this is a positive statement. Now we have to make it into negative statement. What we will write? Again you can see Nandani is a name, so we will add does not. Okay, so we will write and we will make it as a negative sentence by writing Nandani does not speak French. Okay, so it becomes a negative sentence when you add does not. So you will write Nandani does not speak French. Number 3, Ben is my pet. Again you can see it is a positive sentence. Now to make it negative we have to add not. So we will add Ben is not my pet. Ben is not my pet. Number 4, Ankita writes beautiful poems. So this is a positive sentence. You already know there is no or not in this sentence, so it is a positive sentence. Now we have to again transform it into a negative sentence, and we already know that whenever there is a name we add does not to make it into a negative sentence. So here you can see Ankita writes beautiful poem is a positive sentence. Now we will add does not. Ankita does not write beautiful poems. Then it becomes a negative sentence. Number 5, I take Ben for a walk in the evening. Again this is a positive sentence. Now you know with I we add do. Okay, so to make it negative we will use do not. So we will transform this sentence into a negative sentence by writing I do not take Ben for a walk in the evening. Number 6 now, my grandmother goes to the temple every day. Again this is a positive sentence and we will change it into negative. So here we will write my grandmother does not go to the temple every day. So we are adding does not to make it a negative sentence, and goes, you can see goes will become go. So as we are adding does not, the goes, it will become go. So my grandmother does not go to the temple every day. Number 7, Dia knows how to make a paper envelope. So now again here you can see knows, so and Dia is a name, so we will add does not to make it a negative sentence. So we'll write Dia does not, and not it, and knows will change into no. So Dia does not know to make a paper envelope. Okay, next 8, Mrs. Khare is our science teacher. So here we will is our science teacher. It is a positive sentence. Now we'll make it into a negative sentence. We will write it as Mrs. Khare is not our science teacher. So we are adding not after is and making it as a negative sentence. Next one. Ashu and Nishu are my friends. So this is a positive statement. Now we'll change into negative. So we will add not. After are, we will add not and make it as a negative sentence. And we will write like Ashu and Nishu are not my friends. Number 10. They go to school by bus. So here we will change into negative sentence and we will write, and with they we use do, and to make it negative we use do not. With they we use do not. So we will write it here as they do not go to school by bus. So this is done. Now children, as you have done exercise B in your notebook, in your grammar notebook, same way this exercise C also has to be done in the grammar notebook, not in your book. You will write it in your grammar notebook. And how you will write? First you will write the positive sentence, the next line you will write the negative sentence. Again for second also you will write first the positive sentence and then the answer as negative sentence. So B and C, B already I have told you in the last class that B has to be done in your grammar notebook and C also has to be done in your grammar notebook. Now D you will write in your grammar book itself. So write complete exercise D in your book. Only B and C has to be done in the grammar notebook. Now I will complete exercise D. Now make negative sentences using the hints in the bracket. The first one has been done for you. So here you can see in the bracket there are some words given. Now you have to make the sentences negative by using the words given in the bracket. Here you can see first one, I dash fairy tales. So here you can see read is given. So with I we use do. So we will write I do not read fairy tales. It's already been given. Now number 2. The girl in the yellow dress dash my friend. And here in the bracket you can see B is given. B is given. Children, this verb be form can have different forms. Okay. So this verb as be can have different forms like am, is, are, was. So here we will use the is form of be verb. Okay. We will use the is, I as is form of the be verb. Actually this is a irregular verb and it can have different forms, though these are little difficult terms for you all. So when you grow up you will have a better understanding of this, but for the time being, to complete this exercise you just have to remember that when there is a be, so we will form the is, I as is form of be verb, because be has different forms. Because if I go on explaining this, it will you will have little difficulty in understanding it. So just remember that here we will use the is form, I as is form. Okay. So here you can see the girl in the yellow dress. The girl in the yellow dress is not my friend. So here is B is given in the bracket, and as I told you, is form of B will be used. So here we will write the girl in the yellow dress is not my friend. So it becomes a negative sentence. Number 3, I dash another pencil. Here in the bracket you can see have, and you know that with I you use do not. So I do not have another pencil. So the answer is I do not have another pencil. Number 4, I dash watch cartoon channels. So here you will write I do not watch cartoon channels. Number 5, birds dash teeth. Here in the bracket you can see have, and for plural, that is birds means not one bird, many birds. So here we will use do not. So birds do not have teeth. Do not have teeth. 6, we dash go to school on Monday. So here we know we use do not, so he will become we do not go to school on Monday. We do not go to school on Monday. Number 7, John dash a good swimmer. Here again you can, in the bracket you can see be. So always keep it in your head that here we are using the is form of be. So here we will write John is not a good swimmer. John is not a good swimmer. Number 8, my birthday dash falls on 16th June. My birthday does not fall on 16th June. Here falls is written. Falls will be changed into fall, and here it will become does not. My birthday does not fall on 16th June. Number 9, we dash in the class. In the bracket it's written shout. So you know with we you use do not. So we'll write we do not shout in the class. Number 10, my sister dash taller than you. Here also again you can see be form, be verb form. So here again we will use my sister is not taller than you. My sister is not taller than you. Number 11, Sumati's mother dash teaches in our school. So here you know with the name we will add does not. So Sumati's mother does not teach in our school. Teaches will change into teach. Sumati's mother does not teach in our school. Last one, I dash mangoes, and in the bracket it's written love. So you will write I do not love mangoes. You know with I we use do not, so we will write I do not love mangoes. So you will complete this exercise. As I told you, D in the book itself and C you will write in your grammar notebook. So complete this exercise, and in my next class I will take a revision class for the portions what I have given for the periodic test. Children, study, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.